Let's be real, shampoo bars sound amazing. Natural, plastic-free, great for your hair. But all the ones I've tried have left my hair feeling waxy and heavy and honestly kind of gross. If you've tried shampoo bars but have given up because it makes your hair feel like it hasn't been washed, this video is for you. Mistake number 1, using a shampoo bar that's actually just soap. A lot of natural shampoo bars are made with cold processed soap, which is great for your body, but not so much for your scalp. When you use a soap-based bar on your scalp, it can throw off the balance. It can leave your scalp feeling dry, irritated, or full of buildup. Another big mistake, not paying attention to what's in your shampoo bar. The right shampoo bar includes ingredients like SCI powder for a gentle cleanse, foam boost for extra lather, and SLSA powder to give you that extra clean feeling you're expecting without harsh sulfate. It's science, but don't worry, you don't need a chemistry degree to get it right. A lot of people making their own shampoo bars at home think it's too complicated. But here's the truth, if you have the right ingredients and recipe, it's a quick and easy process. Our DIY shampoo bar kit gives you everything you need. No guesswork, no mystery powders, and no wasted ingredients. I gave up on shampoo bars for years, but it always left my hair feeling like I had a coating on it that I couldn't rinse off. But when I tried this recipe, it was a total game changer. My scalp felt clean, my hair felt light enough to leave it down, I even got some natural volume. And I've got 4 young kids, so if something makes me feel put together without a lot of effort, I'm in. If you've had a bad experience with shampoo bars, it's probably not you, it's the bar. We created our DIY shampoo bar kit to make this fast, easy, and actually work. And if you want even more natural hair care recipes, I've got a free cheat sheet that includes recipes for a DIY hair mask, hair oil, and more. Your hair deserves better than a bar of soap. Let's make something that works.